Hello, children. Our dear friend Bunny is waiting for Chimpu to come and play with him. Oh, look! It is Chimpu up on that tree.
Chimpu, what are you doing up on the tree?
Look, Bunny. I am now down on the ground.
Yes, Chimpu, you were up on that tree and now you are down on the ground.
Bunny again starts playing with the ball. Look, the ball is bouncing up and down, up and down.
Bunny, the ball is bouncing up and down, up and down. Oh, what fun it is to watch the ball go up and down.
Chimpu, let us look for things that are up and down.
Oh, what a great idea! Let's go, Bunny!
Children, let us join them in this fun game.
Look, Chimpu, this flower is down on the ground.
And look, Bunny, that flower is up on that tree.
Chimpu and Bunny are going to look for more things that are up and down.
Look, Chimpu, a bird pecking grains on the ground.
Hey, the bird flew, and now it is sitting up on the branch of the tree.
Yes, Chimpu, the bird was down before on the ground, and now it is up on the branch of the tree.
Oh yes, Bunny!
Shh! Chimpu, do not talk loudly, or else the bird will fly away.
Oops! The bird flew away.
Hey, look! There is a feather up on the branch of this tree.
Now the feather is down on the ground.
Chimpu and Bunny have spotted a feather which was up on the branch of the tree, and now it is down on the ground.
Yay! We did it!